What is up, Facebook? So I'm gonna make this video real quick on how to open up this little light switch mechanism here. The I forget what you call it, the infrared thing. So anyway, I have a sauna that has an internal light, and they are not working. So I went to take the battery out, and this little metal piece here came out, and this plastic came out. So I'm gonna open this up with you guys today and see what happens. It takes a CR2032 battery, so I'm just gonna do this live. And so I figure you gotta peel this back here. So let's do that. Let's peel this back. Fortunately, I don't want to do that because now it's not gonna be the same. Let's put that over here carefully. All right, so I gotta grab a tool. Got this little watch repair little thing. Wrong one. That's not it. That's not it. Oh gosh, where's the other one? I don't have it. All right, I found the tool here. We're back. All right, so we'll take out these little screws here if I can do it. Yep. So it goes in that order. Okay. So what the heck broke? I have no clue. Hey, this I know was like, I think this was like the base here or something like that. Yeah, I think this was just that. That's fine. This piece here, I don't know if it went here. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, wait a minute. I know we need a, yeah, this broke off of here. Okay. So I'm going to try to solder this like that. I don't know if it's going to work. Is that going to work? If I solder this like this. Yeah, that should work. All right, I'll be back, get my soldering equipment. All right, let's try this again. So I think it should be hot now. Sometimes you can resolder what's already on there, but I just want to add more because it's just a little drop here. I think she's hot enough. Yep, there it is. There it goes. Okay. Yep, that's hot. So I'll try to like flatten it out a little bit here. I don't want to ruin this. Okay. There we go. Just want to make sure it's on there good. All right, let's put you back here. Let that cool off a little bit. All right. I mean, that might work actually. We'll see. Again, this is all test trial here. Maybe, let's see. Yep. Looks good. All right. Let's put everything back here. These little screws. What I need to do is invest in one of those magnifying glasses. Now you don't want to go too tight on these yet. Right? Does it go right here? Yeah, it does. It does go there. Okay. I'm still into getting wireless looking microphone because I was finding that little shade you guys probably hear me right now. Alright, go back to this one. Good. I'm taking some now. Good. I'm taking some now. Wait. Now we're gonna put this sticky thingy back here. Nice and perfect. Good job. Buttons all work right. Oh, very good. Okay, you want to push all that back in there. Now, put the battery in the way I found it, carefully, because I think I broke it when I took it out. Okay, I'm gonna let, there we go. All right.